Hey guys, root 1 here, showing you my Tint2 panel and how I made it to look like this. Let's first go to let's go here. Yes, it's here, this one. So this is my panel. I see it has got some commands. Yeah, it has this one, and there is another command here. There is this one, there is this one, this one. Yeah, okay, we are going to look at those. So as me myself, I will not include GUI package manager, but I've tried to make it easy for someone to install packages and to update. So if you want to update your distro, the ShrikeLinux, you have to update first keys, because sometimes maybe you find that your update will break. So you click on keys, you put your password, the hatch keys here, you put your password here, you click the hatch keys then after installing the keys, then you go to updates. On the bar on the panel, you put your password, then you update your distro. If you want to install anything, you click on install, you put a package, let's say Vim, though I have it, you put your password, you install. So for AUR packages, you have to first install EA package manager, then you place left key on install like this. It opens, you put your application, your program, maybe let's say FreeTube, like that. You proceed, but I don't have EA installed in this distro. If it was, it would have installed. So another thing is this is how I customized the panel, the Tint2 panel. It's good. I like it. I like to use it. This was my first time even to learn on it. I've never taken time to use it, but I found it. It's a good thing to use. In fact, I won't use anymore the default panel of XFCE. I will always install Tint2 panel because I realize it is good, because I can put my commands in Tint2 RC for users to use, because there are some people who don't like to type. So the only alternative, when you press like key rings, just opens, then you put your password, that's done. If updates, you press updates, you put your password, it proceeds. On install, you click install, you put your package and it installs. So it's for those people who really are new to Linux, okay, it's like this. Those people who are new to Linux, they always want a package manager to be installed, and for that case I'm not going to ship any package manager. The reason is, these days we have a lot of issue with AUR. It's the reason why even I have not added it. And another thing is, I don't want to build a package of like a GNOME package manager, or a discovery for KDE. It has a lot of dependencies. There is Octopi. Is it Octopus? I don't want to do such. But okay, discover it. It has a native package on ShrikeLinux official repository, and I think even GNOME package manager. But I tried it yesterday. I wanted to ship it on this distro, on this Tint2 Panel ShrikeLinux, but I realized that it doesn't load the programs to install. It doesn't have a I don't know if I have it. I removed it. It doesn't install. As in, it doesn't bring the interface where you navigate through the packages. I tried even discovery. It did the same. But the button for update, it's there, but it doesn't show you the packages to choose which one you want to install. Though you can check the packages which you have installed and it shows them, but those new ones where you want to check which package you want to install, it doesn't show. So I decided to not to include it. Then I had to look for a way, because I realized that there are some people who will use ShrikeLinux. They will need to use it, ShrikeLinux, but it doesn't have a package manager. So I said, okay, what should I do? Today in the morning, I decided to customize Tint2 Panel for easy install packages, updates also. So the reason why I include Arch keys is that sometimes when I cannot show it here, because it happens sometimes, not every day it is there. Whenever you are updating your distro, sometimes it flags errors, like it cannot reach the server, or sometimes key problems. So for those people who are new to Linux, mostly Arch Linux, you just, before you update your distro, update your keys. On Arch keys, you update your keys, then you go to the updates, and then if you want to install, update your keys, then install your packages. Other things here are drives, the removable drives. You press there, it brings. So I found this issue that sometimes if the drive is not there, it doesn't work, but it is easy to solve. Let me get here my external drive, I show you. Alright, so let me minimize these ones. In fact, I will just take this one down. I think, let me minimize this one. So you do like this, you can check. Bring your terminal, you check your disk, it is SDB. Then after knowing that it is SDB, you right click on the drives, it opens, you put dev SDB, you put your password, you mount it. Don't worry about this, this flashes some issues. So after that, you left click on drives again. Okay, right click, it's for mounting the drive. Left click is for opening the drive. So if the drive was working, it would have opened it. But again, sometimes you have to open. You see, it has not totally flagged you with any error because you mounted it. Then here, when you open like this device works now because you have opened. So sometimes drives here, the command doesn't open well before you have opened. So you have to first open your disk, or first open your external removable drive, and then if you minimize this one now, this drive will open. That is it. But again, you can mount it with the right click. You mount your drive there, but you have to first open your terminal and check which drive is this. RSB, okay, it tells you it is SDB. So then you press here, you mount, you put your SDB dev SDB, then you mount, put your password. That is it. On another issue on trash is working well. The trash is okay. And view, I wanted to change view to put what? There is a program here, I've forgotten the name. This one. I want to put, is it Restrator? I don't know. Maybe it's I wanted to put this one instead of in fact, let me put this one. Let me put this one. Okay, I'll put it, but I just type let me see where is let me see view. Yeah, view is this one. So if I want to add, this is view. So if I want to add, which am I adding? Restrator. Okay. Is it that one? Let me see the spelling. It is yeah, that is it. But I don't know if it can save there, but I don't think so. It doesn't. I have there is a command I use to reload, but I've forgotten which command is that one. Let me see. Yeah, it has loaded. When it loads, it removes. Oh yeah, it is working well. Let me see now. It has not. It is failing. So it needs me to first log out and log in. But that is changed now. So on edit I told you it is Vim. On right click, then on on left click, then on right click there is mousepad. I really love Tint2 Panel. It's good. Files is there, and then opening settings is there. Everything is done on the panel. So I think it will be user friendly for those people who are new to Linux or even Arch Linux, because I've added effort to see that things people use on daily basis are working. Okay, let's say that there is a package someone needs to install. You go to your browser, you check that package. If it's there on Arch Linux, then you just press your install button here. You put your package, you press your enter execute button, then you put your password, you execute it, and it installs. That is it. For install for Wi-Fi, you click this one here, you put your Wi-Fi, then it's done. That is it. It's what I wanted to show you. So that is it. There is nothing else. I wanted to show you my tint panel and how I made it to happen. So you may ask me, am I going to upload this ISO or not? The reason why I don't want to upload it is that I've already uploaded the ISO recently for ShrikeLinux. The ISO is there and it's new. It's working. I think 2 days I think passed. So if I upload this one, maybe some people will install this one, and the other one they will not give it time. They will not give it okay, like the other ISO which I uploaded, it's working well and I customized it well. It uses a polybar. So if I upload this one too, this one will cover the other one. So that is the reason why I don't want to upload this one. But again, I can upload my Tint2 panel. You check it on, you find it on my code bag. It is codebag.org/root1. But again, it is there. Even the URL is there on my YouTube channel. You can find it there, but right now the configuration is not there. So maybe by the middle of this month I'll upload this ISO for those people who want this one to install this one, because right now I cannot do that. This ISO will cover the previous one, and the other one with the polybar, it's the official ShrikeLinux ISO. Even this one can be official, but I don't think this one will be likable for a lot of people. So that means next time I'll ship for Tint2 panel and a polybar. So then you choose which one This one is Gravebox, the other one is Node theme. As I told you, even this one has the thing I didn't mention, the other one on SourceForge and Codebug Codebug repository, it uses Alt R to spawn Rofi. I didn't make it clear in the video. For this one, it will use Alt F1 to spawn Rofi. In fact, even the other one, I will change it next month. All my ISO to spawn Rofi, or let's say D menu, it will be Alt F1. If at all I ship two menus like D menu and Rofi will be on Alt R and D menu will be Alt F1. So that will be the configuration of ShrikeLinux, and every ISO will not use will always use Alt button as a base tool, a base key, a key binding. I don't know how it is called, but it will always use Alt. Even a window manager, it will be Alt. It will not be a mod what? I think this one is mod 4. I don't know those things, but I'll use Alt to use it to spawn thing as a base key. So that is it. That is what I wanted to show you, my Tint2 panel and how it works. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. ShrikeLinux. Bye.